Hello? Yes, man. This is Valentine Kids. Yes, oh, you, no, man, I meant to call you, man. No, man, I meant to call you. But you see, the wife giving me a little problem, you see, and the firm not doing so well. So I'm just asking you for a little extension, you see. I will pay it at a, no, but you don't, no, man. You can't do that, man. You can't do that, man. Oh, you ever just get up and do that, man. Oh, you ever just get up and sell a smarty house. May have the key them in my pocket, you know. So tell me something. When you sell my house now, where am I to live? On the bus stop. Oh man, this can't work, so man. This cannot work like this, man. You cannot just get up and sell this money house, man. You can't live like that then, man. We cannot live like that then, man. We cannot live like this, man. We cannot live like this.
No, why not give people a sign of me? Don't me it?
Yeah, you play that a relationship paper that are open to
You see that?
Yeah.
The man who come here as some investors, they come for their money.
Yeah.
The top boy want him interest, the sharp boy want interest, you want your interest, that man want interest. If I give you your money first, they'll come and I can't pick up interest. You understand?
See where you live. But when me not think about to see, they cannot take out the confidence in me.
Then no way. You're going to ask. Your name there number 5. Your name there number 5. If you want your name to go number first, you see this 550,000 you have to make it.
No matter what it's about, not tonight. Every night we are back it up. It's 50,000 you try borrow from me. Last week you borrow 25,000. You reback it up, Jeva. No, you try borrow 50. You're going to lend you know what you're going to lend you. You're going to lend you 10,000. Put it on the 25. That's 35. 15 I'm going to lend you.
You see as long as you see me, you shall see your money.
And it's Sheba. You see, when me see you, me not see me money. I worry.
Come. I make sure we can't do enough. And I want a long love, none of my I want Durex. Durex Ultra Sensitive. Durex Ultra Thin. Do.
Trevor, why are you messing with me?
Me now, mess with you.
You know I had to pay somebody to find you though.
What the good thing to the find me now, don't you?
Why weren't you answering your phone last time?
Because the service was down.
So how is the service now, Trevor?
Yeah, what it? This is he, Zara, Zena, Lady Zakatra.
Where were you last night, Trevor?
My economy talking.
Answer the question.
What was the question?
Where were you last night?
Right here.
With whom?
By myself, by myself. Come on, man. You're around too rough now, man. You can't do it.
No. Are you silly?
Yeah.
Don't you dare get up.
I would have never moved. See them now move, I'm an idiot. No, man, you can't take a joke. No,
You're wearing these?
No.
No, Trevor, you must be wearing those.
No, but we can't explain.
No explanation necessary.
We make it.
Because I must have been really stupid to think I could propose to you.
Me too.
What if my family was to find out you're cheating on me?
Cheating me now.
Yes.
Me now. Right, stop.
Trevor, you know I love you. And I've given you my heart, Trevor. And it seems like you have a problem giving me yours. So I will just take it.
And I'm heart, you want my soul. How if you come in and my sister house and accuse me of cheating?
Trevor.
You look like a family man to you?
Trevor. Which sister?
So whoever you pay for watch me, couldn't tell me live with my sister. The two are with there. Here, together. And you come in and my sister will put life off, favorite brother through that plan to kill him. So, hey, you see this? I'm a grand. God, I said, no. There's no kid. You can man? No, man, this is a sin, man. If there's the water with it.
Whoa!
No!
When I came through that door, Trevor, I heard you say something about condoms. Why would you need condoms?
No, you say you don't want to get pregnant.
Yes, I did.
That is what condoms are for. You pinch, leave an inch, and you No, Eve, man, you have to get joke too. Oh, what's it? No, man. No, come here. Come here.
Listen.
He comes.
No, wait.
He just died, man.
Baby, I was calling you and you weren't answering the phone. You weren't picking up?
I saw phone stay sometimes the service them down. That's why they come with Lime and Clara. Come on, you have to take a joke. Where do you start me?
No, baby, I'm not stalking you. I love you.
No, you don't never put the start me and come like scary movie.
What if I put the knife
Yeah,
away?
man, you never play yourself to me.
No, that's not Trevor.
Listen, man, this is not going to work out between me, man. Every you just back on the PB stuff, we're going to start me, man.
Baby, listen. I love you.
You can't just let more PB.
Trevor.
Alright, tell you what. Why you don't go to your yard? I'm going to come in and go start with your shit. Go to your yard and come in and go start. I put out some clothes and I come down there pay.
You sure?
Of course.
You gonna come see me?
Yes, man.
Okay.
And if you ever come and say, well, come.
What? Why? Oh, your sister? Maybe I can meet my sister-in-law. Baby.
So if you come to the woman clothes on me, yeah, you have to come on.
Baby, listen. She's a woman. She'll understand.
My sister is a woman with a very good patient.
Listen. No! I am not going through that hole. Do you see what I look like? Hello. Ridiculous.
If my sister buck you up, you know, I look like hello.
No.
If you come to me.
All right. Cool, babe. No.
Climb up. Take your back to the face.
Sheba! I want you to wait me. I'm going to answer. Oh, I'm going to run some and even pull up so Sheba, you're not clear with yourself.
Let's see that.
Yeah.
At least I need fast shower. I go hotter.
Oh, that's why you did not tell me. Never tell you about your place.
Hey.
Yeah.
One pickle.
Sheba, never wait for your size, you know. Sheba, you want me to can't do something about yourself. You can't squeeze up your shrink, yeah. Long time, man. Everybody had downside their business. Downside to you. Sheba?
Let's see that.
Yeah.
Complete will be complete.
Sheba, how you said if you go by car?
All you have to do is wash, cook, clean, and give us some beef. Nothing more.
You know, say your mother wicked though. You never want to know. If I think you have to kill, you know, say I'm not giving you one. You ever notice how you talk to me?
Yeah, wash, you go.
My chairman, I like some, you know, wash my hand and clothes, you know, Trevor. I'm in love, cook your food. I'm in love with you eat your food. And Trevor, it's when we say eat my food, me I talk for every woman with there, so. Yeah. But Trevor, look here, man, me a woman in your life, I have to show no respect. And when me say respect, Trevor, me not talk about no respect for no boss or no respect for no dad, me I talk about respect for the sitter.
Where is the fire? No, man, this don't make no sense. It's not what the sense of. You must see dead man I walk it. Oh, man, no. Which one she do with the file, do you, man? Every time I say to the secretary, I say, Secretary, file the file. Secretary, file the file. Oh no, the woman don't file one file. Hello? Yes, this is he. Who this? What kind of protection money? No, hold on, come back as a drawbreaks. Come back as a... Me just open this here firm here, you see? And me not selling no goods. This is not a wholesale. So I refuse to pay any protection money to anybody. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Out of order. Just give the door a firm push, man. The buzzer stick on me at times. Never you fear, though. I'll be right. What is it? The IDF, Inner City Development Fund. This extortion business get formally? Yeah. $20,000 a month? For what? You must say, man, if I pay on $20,000, you know there's something wrong. What are you going to do about it, eh? What are you going to do about it? Or we burn down it. What? Oh, sorry, sweetie. Not you. Just a little problem at the office, man. Just nothing too important. Tell me something. Since you go to university and get caught up with big-time college friends, you forget me, man. Yes, man, I can't even hear from you. You're not caught. This is what you want this time. Tell me something, Marlene. Why is the university charging you so much money? Them think that is Bill Gates is your papa? Oh, calm down. Calm down. Yeah. All right, let me send them money. 20,000. All right, let me send it next week. Yes. Love you too. Yes, bye-bye. Yeah, kiss. Yes, bye-bye. Yes. Marlene. Ah. Hello? Me not even have me gun to rat it. Hello? Is who there?
Somebody.
So this man is not on here?
Hi.
I'll have you know I'm a licensed firearm holder. So come at your own hours. Oh, come this way, sir. Come this way.
How?
I am great. Step right. Oh, you are the architect. Yeah. We spoke on the phone. Remind me of your name again, please.
The name is Senior.
Senior, yes.
Junior,
yes.
Senior.
Hold on. Is it senior or is it junior?
The name is Junior Senior.
All right, Mr. Junior Senior, show me the
As
file.
I explained to you on the phone, you see,
yes,
that these people were supposed to give me 500,000 up to today's date. They only give me 50,000, so I want you to sue them for every red cent that they got.
I am sorry to disappoint you, Junior Senior, but I can't take a case that value 500,000. I don't stand to profit from that. So
we're talking about 500,000 pounds here.
They want to make you never say so all along, man. Look,
You never have.
we at Case and Company will definitely take this case. Definitely take this
Company?
case. Yes.
So that is your wife?
Me what?
That photograph over there.
Oh, nonsense, man. This is my daughter.
Daughter?
Marlene Case.
Oh.
Studying business administration at the university.
Oh.
You have any children of your own?
Yes, and I got 3 wonderful girls.
What you say?
Yes, one by the name of Nokia, one Samsung, and one Blackberry. One studying to be a lawyer, the next one a barrister, and the other one a blasted thief.
I beg your pardon?
Just like you said.
Oh, the legal field. It's
Yes,
a great
yes,
field to be in.
yes.
No.
So how much a case like this is going to cost me now?
Well, a case like this, carry the one. Around 3 to 5 million, you know, Junior, Senior. But lucky for you, we are having a special, you see?
Special?
Yes. You see, I would like to take this case on a mere percentage.
Percentage?
Yes.
Explain.
Let me explain. You see, upon completion, you receive 60%, we receive 40%. Oh, Miss Only.
Hold on a sec, this phone vibrating here.
All right, take your
Let
time.
me make a call. Yes, hello. Yes, Mr. John. Oh, no, OJ, listen. Oh, sir, if I am going to sell that piece of property, you see, it's going to be for $80 million. Yes, 8 with a lot of millions behind it. No, I don't do business like that. You have to talk to my lawyer first. He's right here. What's your name again?
Valentine Case. Tell him it's Valentine Case.
His name is Valentine's Day.
What?
Yeah. Oh, him saying no, your name is a very popular man. It's a popular name you have. Yes. So as of now, you speak to my lawyer. His name is
Valentine Case.
Valentine's Day with a B. Yes, sir. Okay, good. So, Mr. Valentine's, you were saying something about some percentages, 70-30, right?
No. I said 60-40, 60-40.
Oh, come on, Mr. Valentine's, man. You're a lawyer, man.
You know what, Junior Senior? If you want to go and search for a better percentage, you can just go through the door and find it.
You give my purple.
Wait, hold on. You little joke me already. You can't take joke, man. Let me throw something else at you. Can I do that?
Dash it at me then.
Okay. How about 65-35? Me can't do no better than that, Junior.
65-35?
Take it or leave it.
That's
can't do no
not
better.
money to you. That's it. 70-30.
No, that's not what I
Mr.
said.
Valentine's, I have a stockpile of case to give to you. I am an architect, you know. I architect things, and I can see in the future that you have a very bright case going along because I have a stock.
So you have a lot of work to put by way.
Morning, Mr.
Oh, morning, Miss Coldwater.
Yes, sir.
I want you to meet Mr. Junior Senior. Brand new client with a brand new case. Junior
Yes,
Senior, Miss Secretary, down see the Coldwater.
Oh, yeah.
How do you do?
Oh, hello. Then, sir, I keep pressing here.
Coldwater, darling.
Yes, sir.
Would you bring us 2 cups of coffee, please? Thank you.
Yes, sir. Coffee coming up. You want them hot or cold?
As I was saying,
Yes, speak.
other than this purple case here, I have a lot of case to give to you.
Yes.
I have some blue one and some cream one to give to you.
What you say?
You see, when you have a lot of stuff, we have a lot of again there.
Assets. A lot of assets.
That's
Yes.
the word. I have a lot of assets, but I do not have the live and ready cash.
Oh.
You know what, the other day I went to a bank
Oh.
just to get a loan of $500,000 just to put up a perimeter fencing around my $90 million establishment up in Norbert.
What do you say?
And would you believe me that the bank have me there from 9 o'clock in the morning,
You're lying.
straight back until 9 o'clock in the night,
No.
waiting on one blasted loan?
Sir, because you're going to wrong place, wrong place to go. Bank not do fencing, they do lending.
Thank you. Thank you, Coldwater.
Yes, sir.
As I was saying,
Yes.
I was in the bank from 6 o'clock in the morning, straight back until 6 o'clock in the night, waiting on one blasted loan.
Tell me something.
Yeah.
Is which bank you bank with? What's the name of the bank?
Bank?
Name, yes.
The name, give me a name, the fast bank. Oh, CIBC.
Oh, that one been a long time.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Coldwater.
Sit them here, sir. Sit them here.
Oh, set them down.
Me ask you what type of cola you got
that what you feel? Feel what?
Go this car. Benches and chairs.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. This coffee tastes like shit. But as I said before, you see, I am going to our next bank tomorrow morning, and I'm going to go from 5 o'clock because this is the earliest bird suck the most worm.
Nonsense. No more banks for you, junior, senior.
No more banks.
Yes. You see with Valentine case as your lawyer and the case and company as your firm, all your banking and financing will be done through the firm. Oh, mister.
Who?
Valentine case.
And who is that?
Shit, that's me.
And who are you?
I am the lawyer.
Oh, you're a lawyer. Oh, nice to meet you, man. So you have a bank?
No, me kind of confused now, you're not junior, senior. I am the lawyer and you're my client. I'm going to secure the loan for you.
Oh, you're going to give me a loan. No problem, man. Thanks. Most appreciated. Good lawyer, yes.
You know what? Just here, make yourself at home, you see? I'm going to sort that out for you. 500,000 coming right up. No worry yourself. Let's go to order assistance, please.
You can't man, we can never work out much. Yeah, fine. Yo, Hammer. Me there, you know. Hey, Hammer, why you go for university? Huh? See if you can't find one little girl then called Marlene Keys. When you find the girl, you call me.
Hello, BBB. Yes, Valentine case. May I speak with Mr. Ray, please? Hello, Ricky boy. How are you doing, man? Volleyball, yes. Look here, I want an extension on the overdraft on this account. Yes, man, 500,000. I am sending the client to you straight away. Yes, man, the interest will be paid on time every time. Okay, thank you very much, Ricky. Okay, good. Okay, bye-bye. Mr. Junior Senior. Junior Senior?
Yes. I was just going to
come over here, son. Thank you. Yes, I managed to sort out the thing for you, you see?
Yes.
I have a check here.
Oh, yes.
You take this 500,000, you take it to big.
Good. Thanks,
wait, let me instruct you on it, you see?
Yeah.
This check will acquire an interest of 300,000 upon repay,
Yeah.
and you have 8 months to repay. Okay?
No problem. I'll have your money back to you by next week.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
I am going to have to hold on to all your assets, all your paperwork, all your collateral, everything you own, I have to hold on to.
Assets?
Yes.
As I've told you before, I have a lot of files here.
What
this
you
is the
say?
cream file I'm telling you about. You see?
Yes.
This is that building up in Harvard that the transport center.
You're too lying.
I am the architect on that one.
The transport.
And
What
if you
you
go
say?
through this one, you'll find that I know nothing about it, but you'll know about that one.
Oh, okay.
And this one is definitely yours.
Oh, okay.
And the blue file I tell you about is the architect for the Pegasus Hotel. I am the designer for
You're
that.
too lying.
And if you want the
say?
briefcase, you can have it too.
No, it's not my style.
Okay, then have a wonderful day.
No, hold on. You have to sign in.
Sign.
I owe you.
Lend me a pen. When I finish signing, I owe you, you go owe me. Yes.
You're not easy now, borrow that one.
You know what I like?
Yes, what is
Since I've been back here in Jamaica, I finally find somebody who I can trust.
Oh, yes, indeed.
You're a man that can be trusted.
Indeed.
Yes. Because you see, everybody where I come across just want to rob me.
Rob you.
The banks want to rob me.
Them rob everybody.
The government want to rob me.
Them works.
The police, they want to rob me.
No mention them.
JPS want to rob me.
One last one.
Mr. Valentine, don't make nobody rob you. It's pure con man a go nowadays, you hear?
Rob me? You have to come good if you rob me, you know, junior, senior.
Oh yes, I forgot nobody can rob you because you're a lawyer. Okay, good.
Indeed.
Good, yes. Okay now, have yourself a one. Yes, this coffee. This shit is good. So now, have a wonderful time now and listen.
Yeah.
One of these days you must make my daughter, your daughter link up and we do a daughter's splash.
If you like this sound of that, hey, BBB bank.
I know where the bank is, you don't worry about that.
Oh, wait, hold on. This ring look familiar, man. This look like an old school ring of mine. What is that? HME? What does that mean?
Oh, it means Her Majesty's Secret Service. Trust no shadow after dark. Okay, Mr. Valentine's. Have a wonderful Valentine's.
You know, easy, you know, to walk good through there, see there. What a nice man, man. Cool water?
Yes, sir.
A minute of your time, please. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You You see, when you see me and successful business people out here talking,
Yes, sir.
you need to stay out of it. You hear me?
Yes,
Out there you're talking on the top of your voice. You think it's a party business me running?
No, yes, sir.
These belongs to Mr. Junior Senior.
Yeah.
Make sure say all the T's them cross and all the I's them duck. By the way, I have been looking top and bottom for your fire. Can't seem to find it.
Oh.
Dance of Dance Construction. You see?
Ah, yeah, me have it in me bag. You know, from when me can't get yard in me bag. And this man, me take you out of the kitchen. See there, sir. You should have been asked me for that time, sir.
Cold water.
Yes, sir.
Is there a filing cabinet in the office?
Yes, sir.
So how come the file coming out of your bag? What's wrong with you, cold water? How much time have you till if you stop taking out the files? What is wrong with you?
So you have one like a no file you got, no one client you got, sir. And that's why me take the client file, guy, because me no want mountain come and you can't find the file and me can't get no player.
Cold water, man. I am trying with you, you know, cold water.
Yes, sir.
But you're not enhancing the process, you know, man.
Oh, me know.
You are not a good secretary, you know.
Are you, I am me, sir.
Me just try a thing, man. Me just you don't even have any subjects, cold water. I don't even think you have to come and entrance.
Yeah, but you don't know, so me I do GSAT, no.
Jesus?
Yes, sir, me I do GSAT class, you know.
What you say?
And me say teacher proud of me, you know. He said the other day, she said, we must get a story book to read to we one another. Me no care no book, me care case. He said, do we have to read to one another about 10 bikini reading, but they not talk about.
You know what, cold water?
Yes, sir.
I must really have a special place in my heart for you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Later. Yes, I'm company money. No, I'm not here now, but if you talk to me, me talk back to you. Yeah, me not coming. Go ahead. Oh. Oh my God. And he beat you all the way. And just run you out of the house. Oh my God. Oh, so you're the cheap bikini run out of the house. Oh my God. So I want to leave now. I want to leave. Oh my God. So what you want me do? What you want we do? You want we swim for bikini maintenance? Oh, you want to swim for half a way got? So look here. When you not go live with him man, you don't care nothing there for yourself. So miss, come on la. Okay. So how long you and the man live together? How long you and him live together? 4 years and 8 months. Miss your shot, you know. Yeah, you're shot. When then I check up you come out too quick. 5 years. Yeah, come on, la, 5 years. Miss, listen. Come on, la, 5 years. Yeah, you have to stay 5 years. So here what you do? Go to the gate, beg him man, partner, go live out 4 months. Miss, only that me can't tell you now. Yeah, me know, say I'm going to talk you now, yeah. Yeah, shut the ear when you live there, man. Mr. Only that we can't take care of our court, because you're not going to make no. Miss, don't talk to me like that, because we never say nothing about you. Don't say, Miss, do your mama too.
Well, the word is not mama. The word is mother.
What's that? Me there, me try to explain to you, man, the writing, and in there, your mama too.
Cold water. Who was that on the phone call?
A wrong number, sir. Wrong number they call, sir.
Wrong number.
Yes, sir.
Wrong number or wrong attitude? Cold
Sir,
water.
so my client, they ranking, and you have to rank back with them, your mama.
Cold water. Look at You see this place, Coldwater?
Yes, sir.
This is a firm.
Yes, sir.
This is a place of business, you see?
Yes, sir.
So you see when time the phone call them come in,
Yes, sir.
you need to answer the calls professionally.
Professionally.
You just make sure so when my phone ring, you send my calls them to me. You hear me?
Yes.
And answer it like a good secretary. You hear me?
Yes,
You're
sir.
sure you're understanding the words that are coming out of my mouth, Coldwater?
Yes, sir. They smell full, but
Professional.
yes, sir. All right, sir. Later. Oh, yeah. If you know that when you dial the number, I replace your call money. Sir, me answer professionally, me know you. Yes, I'm company money. Oh, yes, sir, me here. You can't talk to me. Me there.
You did ask me first if me there before you people say me there. Only me there. You know, ask me if me there. What?
Sorry, sir, in this side of me a quarrel. Yes, sir. Oh, Mr. Brown, I'm Mr. Brown.
Me not there.
Sorry, sir, you missed him by a quarter of the day. No, he not come back in here, sir. Go ahead. Sir, he not. Okay. You live in the country. So, walk down there, sir. Thief goat. Sir, we not care thieving people go up to us, sir. So how much goat you thief? 10. So you couldn't let one give people them. A big man like you a thief, so. Sir, question. The goat them live or they dead? Then dead. The case dead with the goat them thief. Sir, we can't carry that goat, cause them they goat they could end up a restaurant and people name them out. Sir, just be carry, sir. Sir, sir, not talk to me like that. Don't talk to me like your mama too. Yeah, but I am and I wrong people them out.
You know, say, me feel say you go on your bed and come up with brand new ideas to mash up my business for one. It's sabotage, you come and say sabotage me, that
No,
one.
sir.
It's who saying?
Nobody.
It's who saying you?
Sir, influenza virus you in a me feel. Sir, and not nobody, and I know me make you not get no client, no, sir. You know, sir, the people them will have the office round there, so then I know see a law we do it there, no, sir. Them things you are golden age home to it close them way.
You see that? Hold on. Was that a client? Was that a client on the phone? And me just hear you read out the whole of the client's business and about the line for what?
No, sir, him tell me, I tell him back.
Okay. Attorney-client privilege code. Now run that through your brain and tell me what it means for you. Attorney-client privilege. Run it.
You know, say it a come back and it come empty door.
Confidentiality is essential here. I could lose my place at the bar, you know.
They no go drink somewhere, sir.
Okay. Fine. Let me put it somewhere where you can understand it. Let me paint you an equation. Yes.
Sir, you don't paint equation, you try to.
All right then, Coldwater. Let me jar you up one equation then.
Yes, sir.
No client.
Yes, sir.
Plus no job minus your little salary equals go to your yard.
Yes, sir.
You get that?
Yes, sir. Sir, we can balance the equation. Sir, idiot client, got quote, loose case, business schedule. Sir, and next thing, sir, I make your zip always done, sir.
Nothing about my zipper is a part of your job description, you see? Yes. So when you are chat to me, you feel look up here, son. No, look down there, son. Look up here, son. Yes, pervert.
Like it, sir.
The name is Bull. Dr. Theophilus B. Bull. Attorney at law.
His name is Coldwater. Del Sita Coldwater. Attorney at know that.
Inform Mr. Case that I'm here.
Are you thieving what them, sir? Yes, elephant man come.
What you talking about? Oh, Bull, fancy seeing you here. What you want? You. For someone that's challenging me in a court of law, you know, man, I expected to come and see a far more classy joint. My God, man, your place is a dump. Sorry for disappointing you, boy. Really? But this is not a giant. Oh. This is an office. Excuse me. How may I help you? You can't help me. You see, I've taken on the Devon Smith case, you know. But you know, when I looked at the file and realized that you were the attorney on the case, I said, my God, man, I couldn't pass up another opportunity to whip your ass in court one more time. But then, you know, I said, I need to play it fair. So here's my proposal, no? We're willing to plead guilty on that fraudulent conversion charge, you see? But that's only if you're willing to drop all the other charges. Is that what you say, old boy? Well, no, man, raise up, get up. Yeah, you know, get up, man. Tell me something. That said thiefing boy, Devon Smith. Is you I'm thiefing lawyer, but? No. Tell me, boy, because I must know these things. Let me correct you, listen thing you say, old boy. Okay, say what? You see, I've sat and passed my QLTT in London. Good for you. Pass it! Jesus! No, man. Through the glasses, Bull. I love you know I passed it on the very first thing at that, you know. You know that I have my LLM, my LLB, and my PhD. You see, I've sat and passed the Jamaican bar, you know, the New York State Bar, and the California State Bar as well. So don't you dare ever call me a lawyer. Damn ranking out of order. Sorry. I am coming from the rum bar, you see. So if you could kindly leave, I have unfinished business. Tell me something, Miss Abu. Why make you come down here with all of your qualifications, eh? Your BC, your RC, and your PC. No, tell me. With all of them their qualifications, you should be able to set the devil free. Why would you want to make a deal with me? You seem to have a very short memory. You know. What are you talking about? February 2006. Ring a bell? You mean the same February 2006 where you dip your hand in your pocket and pay off the judge and the jury, bull? You think me forget? Tell me something. When I can leave your office and come to my office, if you come blow up your horn, bull. Blow? Yes, blow. Well, listen to me. If that is your way of telling me that you have someone blowing you, you have succeeded.
No matter when he's sucking in here.
You know, Miss Abu? Keep your blasted qualifications and your accolades to yourself. Accolades? That can't win court case. Accolades? Yes, accolades. But what I ever not mere accolades? Hey, what you said? They're tools! Hey. Tools to let you look like a damn fool in a court of law. Accept the world the way it is and allow yourself to be the way you are. Jack Canfield.
I know Mommy one rain next time.
So you're bright, Miss Abbott. You make big time quotation for me, but. Well then, Mr. Bull. Civilization begun. The first time someone threw a word instead of a stone.
The one say, what a stone.
Sigmund Freud.
So you're behaving like you have half a brain now. But you know, there's a few things I can teach you about brains. Because you see brains, brains are like mouths. When empty, they blather. When full, they digest. Pete Harrison. I get out of this.
Oh, no, man. See you on this video. What is? Exodus! Bob Marley!
Yeah! I'm not turning your drummy boss tongue. That is Portia Simpson.
Listen, I am very, very busy. I don't want no calls. Please, do not disturb me. Busy.
Yes! Anytime you see my boy in the office, busy. I feel him, I feel up. Busy. What is up here? He said plur something. I got nothing like. That looks like all sitting here. Sir!
Wow!
Sir, put in a cup, sir. Put in a
What up?
Sir, you see the address here?
Yes, what up?
56 Narrow Drive, Kingston 30.
Five. Put it in the cabin.
Sir, we used to work on Narrow Drive, you know, sir. And the people that were me at work with them live at last house on the left-hand side and for them house at 54. At 54 Narrow Drive, tapping on this, I say 56. Plus Kingston 13, sir, 13.
Now, we're there jungle now?
No, sir, we don't think Desmond Mackenzie would allow that.
What is? This is familiar though. This is look
The address there.
Yeah, man, so.
Rotted, I don't know how.
Tell me about it.
You must see your address, sir. Say, man, put your address in a document like how you do your document.
Man, put your address in a document like I'm in the
Sir,
document.
you never read the document.
You never read the document. Call the bank.
Yes, sir, me about that.
Mr. They call the bank.
Sir, you have it phone, you got it on your head. You're not ready yet, you're not ready yet.
Yes, BBB. Valentine case. May I speak with Mr. Rake, please? Hello, Rakey boy. How are you doing, man? Yes, Bally. Look here, look, I just called to find out, you see, if that man did come and cash the check. What do you mean? Woman? What was her name? Let me see that cold water.
Sir, tell him about no rap with me, no. I mean, no left you from money.
Yeah. No problem at all, Ricky. The interest will be paid on time. Every time. Bye-bye.
I see him doing the pan this year, so you know, pure foolishness, them I know. I don't dash them way, because them are rubbish. Sir, give me phone, give me. Because you never top take over draft, you don't take up draft. Sir, I'm mad, sir. Sir, from mad, pay me first, sir.
Cold water?
Yes, sir.
You see me, Dr. Marley?
Yes, sir.
I want you to tell her that I love her. You hear?
She a baby, sir.
And my mother.
Yes, sir.
I want you to tell her that I love her. You hear?
But you buried her last year, sir.
Well, in that case, me will tell her myself.
This get the work on Africa, go home and leave my mother. No, tell me anyway, no good enough. It's a case of what you got, sir. Don't do it, no, what you not do?
kind of girl? What do you mean by your father should be himself? He dead? Now, how can a man should be himself and you tell me that? He miss. Well, anytime he finds me having that, at that time, what should be himself? Yeah, I'm good. You there? Over me one yard. You're the only one. I want you to sit to me. I said, you're to see nothing. Yeah. Talk to you later. Hi, baby.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You have a problem at work, you know?
How?
The boss not shut himself and not pay me first.
He did?
He not did it, your hospital I work to. Somebody grab it today, you know?
Grab him.
500,000 just such a bar.
No, man, that country from hard to us. You know, let's be a thief and criminal.
I'm telling you, and you know they go to them. Chema, me start to me boss, you know. Me say the clothes man work hard, you know. And when me see take it good, I'm pumpy shot in myself. Me say whichever they think of it that they shot them.
Hello.
Hi, Trevi. It's your woman Heath. Are you coming over tonight, baby?
Can't believe
Uh-huh.
Trevi. Sweetie, I need to know if you're coming home. Baby, I really need you to talk to me. I miss you.
Uh-huh.
Trevi, you know I don't like you when you do this, man.
Listen to me now, sir.
Sorry.
You called me at the very wrong time. Please don't call me tomorrow. Sir, I'm having my lunch right now. Please don't, sir, call me tomorrow at 12 o'clock. I'm having
Baby,
lunch
baby,
right
no,
now.
don't hang up.
Have a
baby,
wonderful
please,
day,
baby,
sir.
don't
Thanks for
hang up.
understanding. Okay, bye-bye. So you have said somebody shot the boss today, don't you?
me I tell you.
Oh,
I know somebody shot him neither, him shot himself. And me I said to myself, say, you know, so me go there and me I look for me. And me I say, what am I doing with the gun side of him? In the hospital, you can't imagine. You should have borrowed from him if he go and shot the theater two man in front of him.
Listen,
Yeah.
when this school, listen, this school is a business school.
Yeah.
The people who come here in this school are business associates, alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
So me know you're associates. Me know you're when associates say, baby, don't hang up. A double problem me now, you know. When me go up my hospital, then 2 girls not call me from Cali Serious and their money due. I look their boss not pay me.
Oh, you have a manager?
What's that? Me I say you have to go charge now 50,000 or 5,400 let me give people though.
Yeah, man.
Me not mad at that when they don't carry come.
Yes, see.
Yeah.
You can't just go in and go job and say work.
We know I have to carry your idea, your man.
Yes, see that.
Yeah.
The money that they give to me, see?
Yeah.
That investment. You put investment in the bank and it accumulates interest.
Yeah.
Now your interest now accumulating about 2,000.
Oh, yeah, me understand. But here one now. Me not no interest in the interest. Oh, yeah, the principal you want, Trevor. Me no want interest. Just go and get the principal.
I want to them damn police.
Nobody not tell me nothing, Trevor. Cause here what?
Yeah, nah,
Me no want the money tomorrow. Me no want it yesterday. Me want it today. So see if you can hurry up,
close their jaw last week. Yeah, that was it. Where did you
Nothing with job. Trevor, are you trying to play a practical joke?
Yes, it's a look at that joke.
I'm not joke neither. So here what, Trevor? You see when you reach for your joke part, put up your hand.
That's it. If you are peaceful, like, I mean, I raise my voice now, go back this morning. Go for money, we're going to give me here.
Trevor, stop it. Right? I know something under stress. And you want to pick them for that day.
I know I hear no boy you're hungry, but pick them up for money. How you know easy?
Trevor! And me and talk to so Trevor? Trevor, you don't know me like that. Hey, Trevor, you kidding me? You don't know me like that. Hey, Trevor, right now, my wire something that you don't know.
Hold on. I take my money and walk up to balance. Okay. Why me there, Sita? No, why me? No, what? Nobody boss me. Go for the money because give me. It's a wicked job. Every time I'm going to go on, Panda Bay. Eh? I go outside here, I'm the boss, I'm going to talk about money. It's a wicked job. Go for money because give me, no. Go for the money. You don't have my money. Yeah, what's your name? I'm going to look at it.
Liku, Trevor, liku in idea. Nobody have the bedroom tactics, you know, Trevor.
Come on, money, come on, money. Why not easy? You take my money and I go put water in it. I better lock my backside. I'm going to lock up your backside. What's going on? Take my money. Mail that post. I'm going to telegraph with you.
Yes, in the cold water, you are hereby charged with robbery with aggravation. You may remain silent, because anything you say or look like you're going to say can be used against you in a court of law.
It's open.
Yes, sir. You can't come around that kitchen and try to like you.
You're decent.
Start come now, sir.
Okay, I am coming in.
Yes.
Miss Coldwater,
Yes, sir.
you know I was just on my way to the country.
Yes.
And I said to myself, self, you know, since Coldwater been out of the pen, you haven't visited her. And myself replied and said, you know what, you're right. So here I am, Coldwater, and I come bearing gifts.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is
Because
it?
I try one. Sir, we have boy when you come out and say
Sorry. It's all them girls that treat me with self, Coldwater.
well, them a kiss after me most I time.
And I trust that you never kiss back.
Well, the kiss back this year be like that. Sir, you want something to drink, sir?
What you have?
We have lemonade and jam probati.
Give me the last one.
Oh, you want it, sir?
Yeah, the party and bring it to the John Pro. Thank you.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Everything round and me and say I want to go. Roach, no in everything, just go to what is that, sir?
Roach.
I want it all. Me think I want to hear catch whichever drink goes.
Okay, you can be quick.
Yeah,
You can keep a little more.